In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a check register report in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find it, what it shows, and how to make sure your results appear clearly for the time period you care about. First, from your QuickBooks Online dashboard, look to the left-hand panel. This is the main navigation bar where you access core features. Click on Reports. This area is your hub for financial insights, and it includes everything from profit and loss to vendor activity and, importantly, the check register view we're after. Once you're in Reports, go to the Standard tab. The Standard tab contains the ready-made reports QuickBooks provides out of the box, so you don't have to build anything from scratch. It's organized by category, but the fastest route is simply to search. In the search bar, type Check Details, then click on the report when it appears. This is QuickBooks' built-in version of a check register report. One click opens it right away, so there's no extra setup needed. As soon as you select it, QuickBooks will run a report of all check transactions recorded in your books. On this screen, you'll see a straightforward listing of checks, the dates they were issued, who they were paid to, the accounts they hit, and the amounts. Think of it as a clean register that you can scan to verify payments, confirm coding, and spot anything unexpected at a glance. If you've been entering checks regularly, you should see them lined up here. If the report looks empty or incomplete, don't worry. This is usually just a date issue. Change the report period near the top of the report. Pick a range that fits your needs, like last month, this year to date, or a custom range if you're reviewing a specific time frame. After adjusting the dates, the report will refresh and populate with checks that fall within that period. If you still don't see what you expect, double-check that the checks were dated correctly when they were entered and that you're looking at the right time window. And that's it. You've opened Reports from the left panel, used the Standard tab to find the Check Details report, viewed all check transactions, and adjusted the report period to make sure your data appears. This simple workflow gives you a reliable, register-style view whenever you need to review payments, reconcile activity, or prepare for month-end. There you go. That's all you need to create a check register report in QuickBooks Online.